What's going on, everybody, and welcome back to another video. Today we have a Gemini Jets unboxing for you guys. As you can see, we have two different boxes here. Both of them are Gemini Jets, and we will dive straight into the video. We will start off with this box right here, and I will get back to you guys once I am done unboxing it.
A few moments later.
There we go. We have gotten the box open. And then here are your packing peanuts, and you can see the aircraft inside right here. Okay, you can kind of see the aircraft right here, but let's take the this stuff off to show you guys a better look at the box. And here is the airplane. Starting off with a brief description of the box. Here you have your Gemini Jets logo with your computer generated model. Then you have the Boeing C-32A, which is also a beefed up 757. Then you have United States of America with the 1/400 scale die-cast model aircraft. Then you have your look inside tab, which I will show you guys because I'm sure there's some interesting things about this aircraft. You can pause to read. Hopefully it's in focus for you guys. Some facts about the aircraft. Okay, and let's get straight into the actual unboxing. Let me just zoom out here a little bit. There we go. Just pull it out here. And here is the aircraft. There we go. We'll put that aside. Then you have your plastic sheet, and your aircraft is right here. This aircraft is the United States of America Boeing C-32A, also known as Air Force 2. Here is the front of the aircraft. You can see the cockpit windows as well as the two engines, and then all of the antennas and Wi-Fi boxes on the top of the aircraft. Now moving on to the second aircraft, which you can see right here. We'll go ahead and get straight into the unboxing of this.
A few inches later.
And just like that, we have unboxed the aircraft, and then we will open this and this up and get straight into the unboxing. Have a lot of paper, and then you have the aircraft right here in its box. Once again, this is not a very detailed box, so I'll just go over the highlights of the box. Right here you have the Hawaiian Airlines logo with the computer generated aircraft right here with the look inside tab down at the bottom right, or excuse me, bottom left. Then at the bottom right you have 1/400 scale die cast model aircraft. If we look at the look inside tab, you can see some facts about the aircraft towards the top. Let me get a better view for you guys. There we go. Those are some facts about the aircraft, and then you have the aircraft lying right there. Then you have your aircraft right here after you take it out of the box. Just pop this tab off right here. And then you have your aircraft, which is the Hawaiian Boeing 717. Here is the aircraft, starting off with the nose cone right here. Then you have your cockpit windows as well as your landing gear. And then Hawaiian tends to name all of their aircraft, so that is what's right here. Unfortunately, I can't see it because I'm not that good at eyesight. But then you have your Hawaiian letters for the logo right here. And if I did not mention, this is in the new livery. As you can see, you have your lei going across the body of the aircraft. Then you have some of your windows. I believe the Hawaiian 717 is a all-economy aircraft. No first class or premium class. And then you get towards the back here and you have your lei coming over with your two emergency exits over the wing. So you actually only have 6 emergency exits on this aircraft, 2 in the front and 4 in the back. Then you, of course, have your engines in the back as your typical 717 or MD-80 would. And then you have your landing gear down there, which is pretty hard to see. And then obviously this aircraft does not have winglets or anything. It's just a flat wing like the MD-80 was. Then I will zoom in a little bit on the tail. So here you have your girl. I'm sorry, I don't remember the name of her or the name they gave her. Then you have your rudders at the top opposed to the bottom. You do not have that on your 717s or MD-80s. Then you have your 2 engines back there, as I mentioned. So nothing too special about this aircraft. The bottom does have quite a bit of detail. You can see your cargo door and your landing gear, as well as your lay and then the Hawaiian tail. And then here is a view of your aircraft from the front. And then here is a view from the back. You can see your 2 engines, your rudder, and your wings. That does conclude today's unboxing of both the Hawaiian 717 and the United States of America Boeing C-32A aircrafts. I hope you guys did enjoy the unboxing, and if you did, please consider leaving a like on the video and subscribing to the channel if you are new and you love aviation content like this. I'd like to thank you guys so much for watching. I'm very thankful for all the support from you guys, all the subscriptions, the likes, the views, the comments. I especially love comments because I get to read through them and it brightens up my day, and I love responding back to you guys. That's all for now. I hope you guys did enjoy, and I will see you in the next aviation video. Have a good rest of your day or night wherever you live. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.